Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of digital cutters and explore how they revolutionize the process of shaping styrofoam. Digital cutter, a masterful shaper. At the heart of styrofoam shaping lies the digital cutter, a sophisticated machine that utilizes a sharp blade guided by computer-controlled precision. Unlike conventional cutters that rely on heat to melt through materials, digital cutters employ a mechanical approach, ensuring clean, precise cuts without the risk of melting or distorting the styrofoam. The cutting process commences with securely loading the styrofoam sheet onto the digital cutters. Cutting bed. Next, the operator meticulously selects the desired cutting pattern from a computer program. This pattern serves as the blueprint for the shapes to be cut from the styrofoam. With the pattern in place, the digital cutter springs into action. The sharp blade, guided by precise computer commands, meticulously traces the outlines of the pattern, carving out intricate shapes from the styrofoam sheet. Applications. Digital cutters have transcended the limitations of traditional cutting methods, venturing into a realm of limitless possibilities. They are employed in a wide array of industries, from packaging and construction to prototyping and design. In the packaging industry, digital cutters play a crucial role in creating custom-shaped packaging solutions, ensuring the protection and presentation of products in a visually appealing manner. Construction professionals utilize digital cutters to craft precise styrofoam insulation components, enhancing the thermal efficiency of buildings. Prototyping and design fields rely on digital cutters to bring their innovative ideas to life. By meticulously shaping styrofoam prototypes, designers can visualize and refine their concepts before committing to mass production. Digital cutters have revolutionized the way we shape styrofoam, opening doors to a world of possibilities. Their versatility, precision, and adaptability have made them an indispensable tool in a wide range of industries. As technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate even more innovative applications for these remarkable machines. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this informative exploration of digital cutters and their role in shaping styrofoam. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more engaging content.